Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum had only a shallow pullback earlier today, so we've seen another extension higher. I have tidied up the chart a little bit. I've taken out the lower fib levels that the price reacted to, but we don't need them anymore. So I've just left the next one, which is at 2571, and then obviously upside extensions still relevant for a potential wave 5 here, the 2633. My communication was that if we get 5 waves, first of all, I'd like to see it minimally reach 2633 in 5 waves. But yeah, we need the 5-wave structure. At the moment, still only 3 waves, so could simply still be an ABC structure. There's no change. Yesterday I already highlighted to you that we have a pretty full ABC structure, so 3 waves are technically complete. It did form another extension that is not changing the structure itself. It just means we did get another extension. But the price never crossed below our signal level that I gave you, which was at 2465, to confirm that this 4th wave here is unfolding. So we remain focused on the current structure, hasn't changed. Circle wave 3 or B wave probably still unfolding. And it takes another 4-5 pattern to at least suggest that okay, you know, at least we have 5 waves, okay, that are sort of clear here. At the moment, I only see 3, as I said, and any pullback, if any pullback occurs, I will use the lower boundary line of that parallel trend channel as support. And I've adjusted the micro support range here, now showing the area between 2361 and 2485. So yeah, besides that, there is not much more to add. So I think we're still looking at wave 5 of 3 here or wave 5 of C. And to really confirm that a larger top, a more substantial top is in place, it takes a break below 2361. Until then, every pullback will be seen as a correction in what would be wave 4. But it takes, yeah, it really takes some effort on the side of the bulls to be able to hold a higher low in any pullback. And obviously it depends a little bit on the structure of the pullback when it happens. And then we can make a call on the go if this looks more like a wave 4 pullback, which should find support in this region here. Or if it's the C wave to the downside, which might send us down into the green box. Bear in mind what I highlighted in the previous video, that there is a short-term bullish and short-term bearish count, but both are overall bullish. That's pretty good. Gives us confidence in a bullish market at the moment. As soon as I have a 5-wave pattern complete, yeah, then I can call that a wave 1 of the next larger 3rd wave that would take us to 3,500 plus. That's the plan and has been the plan for a while. And we can then add the next support zone for wave 2 to the chart. But at the moment, you know, I'm not even telling you it will finish at 633. This is really just what I need to see as a minimum for wave 1. And that just has to do with ideal Fibonacci extensions and levels, where I normally want to see the 3rd wave ideally reach the 1.38 extension. The minimum already was reached, but the ideal level, the first ideal level is that gives more confidence. That's obviously here 2,572 in this case. And yeah, a 1-2 setup would help. So basically having 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Looking at the ETH BTC chart, I'm getting a little concerned. I shouldn't say I'm getting concerned, but so far ETH BTC hasn't shown any signal that it wants to really turn to the upside on a more sustained basis. So it's now heading down to 0.05057, which is which is the next support level, the 78.6 retrace level of that rally that happened between the 9th of January and the 12th. And I can tell you, if we don't hold this, then I mean I will keep an open mind, but it would indicate that definitely ETH will have much more difficulty to outperform Bitcoin. Yeah, I've been highlighting that my assumption is that ETH will outperform Bitcoin this cycle. But I start to see, I mean, it was never confirmed, right? Because we're tracking the structures on the ETH BTC chart. Literally only recently it reached the first downside target. So what I'm doing now is just watching if a reversal can occur. But if it doesn't happen from here, it will probably, decline much further. And then I don't know if it might drag into the next cycle. We'll see. We'll see. But so far I can highlight to you that if there is going to be some outperformance, ETH outperforming Bitcoin, well, ideally it starts from here right now. I mean, it can go a little lower, but shouldn't really substantially go below 0.05057. Now, that wouldn't be bearish for ETH necessarily. They can still all go up on the USD charts, but it's just sort of, okay, which one is going to perform better compared to the other one? And yeah, I'm not saying there won't be another chance later, but this is an active setup, and the potential is there, but it's just a theoretical potential at the moment. We don't see it in practice at this stage, and that's what the bulls need to confirm, basically. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.